As you become a big time investor and you want to do more and more deals, sometimes general financing is not going to work for you. So you have to start learning about creative financing to finance some of these deals. Now, your ability to construct a good financial plan of how you're going to borrow and use the money to grow your businesses and entertain better properties that you can go ahead and increase your general portfolio, you're really going to have to become pretty intelligent in financing options that you may have. So let's take a look at some financing options, about 6 of them that you can actually use to have good creative financing options as an investor trying to do more deals and trying to grow intelligently, not just using all your money all the time, because sometimes you may not have enough capital to do a deal, and sometimes the money that you're borrowing just might have too of an expensive rate for it to make sense for you to do the deal, right? So number one thing you could do is owner financing, right? So ask the owner if they will finance the deal for you, essentially becoming the bank. In essence, if you default on the payments, they get the property back. Assumptions. You can also take responsibility of somebody's mortgage, assuming that that mortgage company allows you to do that and the state allows you to do that. Wraps, where you take where the owner offers you a new loan, but you're paying down the original loan, right? So it adds on to your other loan. Lease options, leasing the property from the seller until you have the equity or the cash to buy it outright. Private seconds, where you obtain a second loan to cover your down payment on a primary loan and on a primary mortgage loan. And the other thing is syndications, right? Syndications is where you involve other investors and you pull your money together and you go and you get bigger deals. You see a lot of people on social media and YouTube talk about syndications and how they pool a bunch of money together. And now they're able to buy, instead of one building with 4 or 10 units, they're able to buy 1,000 units at the same time with a bunch of people, which gives you a lot more opportunity, right? So you're getting essentially you're getting a smaller piece of a bigger pie, but it's a way bigger piece than your whole own pie, right? So these are some creative financing options for when you're going into investing. If you have any questions, my name is Dave. This is what I do, and I love it. Real estate is really cool, and it can change you and your family's life. You have to start learning about different creative financing options if you want to keep your business thriving and your investment career moving forward.